In this video, I'll show you how to create an eManifest with a personal shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. A personal shipment is the type of informal entry that allows for the release of shipments consisting of non-commercial, personal, or used goods being transported by a highway carrier. To qualify as a personal shipment, the goods must not be for sale, must not be the property of a business, and must not be brand new unused goods. The common scenario in which a highway carrier would use this shipment type would occur when an individual is moving from Canada to the United States and engages a highway carrier to transport their personal belongings. A CBP Form 3299 is also required to be filled out and provided to the CBP officer at the time of arrival. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon and then tap eManifests. Then Start New eManifest. After you enter all your trip information, scroll to the bottom and tap Save and Start New Shipment. Since there's a personal shipment that needs to be created, select Save and Start New Shipment. And to learn how to enter trip information on a mobile device, tap the link at the top of the video now. Starting from the top, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PAPS as that's the most common shipment type, but since this is a personal shipment, tap the shipment type and change it to a personal shipment. Next, enter your shipment control number. And if you're hauling another carrier shipment, just tap the SCAT code to change it. And below, enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment. You can look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. We're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so at the bottom, tap Save and Add Commodity. Here, enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. Then, go to the bottom and tap Save and back to eManifest, and then select Save and back to eManifest. Here, you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. And if any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do it here. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBP. So, at the top, tap Sync with CBP, where your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. And after approximately 1 to 2 minutes, CBP should accept your manifest, and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, on file with CBP. And it'll remain at that status until the driver arrives at the first port of arrival, since there are no entry numbers associated with personal shipments. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, truck arrived at border. And lastly, when the driver crosses the border, will change to 6 green bars, released. Congratulations! You've successfully created an eManifest with a personal shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. And to learn how to create a personal shipment on the laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.